Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install SQL Server on a Windows operating system. So let's begin. Now to install SQL Server, you need to first simply go to your favorite browser. In the address bar, you need to just simply search with SQL Server download and hit enter. And you will get this www.microsoft.com as a first search result. So here, select on SQL Server downloads and it will going to redirect to the official site of Microsoft. So you can close this, and when you scroll down you can see that we have our SQL Server 2019 is available for download for developer and express. So you can just simply download the express edition because it is free and it will give you more features. So just simply click on download now, and you can see that our installer for SQL 2019 is rightly downloaded. Okay, so you need to just simply click on this installer, and it will ask you for administrative privileges. Just simply click on yes, and you can just simply minimize our browser, and you can see that our SQL Server 2019 Express Edition is rightly launched over here. So here you can choose basic, and you need to accept this license agreement, and this is where our SQL Server is going to be installed. So you can see that download size is 266 MB. Okay, and you need to have around 6.5 GB of free space. So just simply click on install, and there you go, our installation has rightly begun. So this installing SQL Server will take some time, about 10 minutes I would say. So I'll be coming back after finishing of this process. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our installation is successful. So this is our connection string, and this is where our log file is going to be there. So everything that we are doing going to be logged over here, and this is where our installation media folder, and this is where is the installation resources folder. Okay, so now that our SQL Server is rightly installed, it's time to install SSMS. So SSMS is basically is an IDE. So just simply click on that, and it will going to redirect to the browser. So from here you need to download this SSMS. Just simply scroll down, and you can see free download for SQL Server Management Studio 18.12.1. Just simply click on that, and it will going to download the exe. So let's wait for some time to download our exe. So you can see that our SSMS is rightly downloaded. So you can just simply click on the exe, and it will ask you for administrative privileges. Again, click on yes, and you can minimize your browser. So you can close this SQL Server 2019 for now. Okay, and here you can see the installation wizard for our SQL Management Studio. So just simply click on install, and it will going to start loading package. So again, installing this Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio will take some time. So you need to wait for about 5 minutes I would say. So after that I'll be again coming back. So welcome back once again guys. So you can see that our Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is rightly installed. So you can just simply close it. So now that our SQL Server and our SQL Server Management Studio both are installed, you can just simply go to search and just type here SSMS. So once you type that, you will be able to see this Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio will be there. So just simply open that Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and you can see that our Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio is rightly launched. So here you can see server type is database engine, which is totally fine, and server name is also fine, and we'll be doing Windows authentication, so that is also fine. Okay, if you want to change, you need to do the setup thing. So in this video I'm going to proceed with Windows authentication. Okay, if you need to know about how to set SQL Server authentication, please do drop a comment into our comment sections. I'm going to make a video on that as well. Okay, if you need. So for now this is totally fine. Just simply click on connect, and there you go, it is rightly